Hello, and welcome to my Law of Attraction Planner unboxing. Starting my journey into network marketing and the world of online business, I knew that mindset and motivation were going to be crucial to my success. I finally decided on the Law of Attraction Planner to help me with that and wanted to share the unboxing with you. Because I take a deep dive into a lot of the aspects of this planner, this is going to be a two-part video. Make sure you click the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as that part, as well as other videos, are uploaded, and enjoy the unboxing. And here we go. I am really excited to see this. Yes, I know it's already February, almost the end of February actually, but it took me a while to decide which planner I wanted to go with for my personal items. So here's the receipt. Because I have my planner that I use for the kids and, household things, but I wanted something specifically for my goals and personal development and things like that. So I really like this, that it says be the energy that you want to attract, because I really believe that to be true. So let's see here. The purple is so pretty on the box. All right. So it says a 12-month journey to creating a dream life. Follow 8 scientifically proven steps to increase productivity and create happiness in life. Made entirely from eco-friendly materials. 2020 dated life planner with a soft cover. We'll take that off. And on the back, a life planner, success planner, and happiness planner all in one. Like I said, it took me a while to decide which one I wanted to use specifically for myself. And then it says January through December 2020 dated weekly planner, 12 life-changing monthly calendars and review pages, 53 weekly overviews designed for productivity to achieve your goals, weekly to-do list, feel-good list, and gratitude list, awareness self-discovery guide with goal setting guide and vision board, which I'm really excited for. Total 272 pages, extra smooth, high-quality paper. What can the Law of Attraction Planner do for you? It helps you find or clarify your life purpose. It teaches you how to set big goals and achieve them. It gives you clarity and focus to succeed no matter what. It increases your productivity by 300%. It creates harmony in your life. It raises your vibrational energy. This feature alone is life-changing. It turns daily to-do lists into feel-good lists. It develops your creativity and your future-seeing intuition. It unclutters your mind and creates inner peace. It effortlessly creates positive habits like daily gratitude. It ties your dream board and mind map to your plans. It guides you to rest, relax, reward, and recharge yourself. And then there's just a little picture here of the weekly layout. So the cover is really soft and pliable, almost like a leather. And you can see it's got the, what are those called? Oh, geez, I can't remember. But Aquarius, Taurus, all the different astrological signs and the stars in the sky that they represent. It's got this eye in the center, and it says Law of Attraction Planner. And then there's all the Cancer, Gemini, Aquarius, Taurus, Aries, around this here. And then I guess that's probably what their symbols are. And then there's this really pretty figure lady here. I love all the hair. And all the design on it is actually like embossed into the leather. And then you open it up, and your inserts, you get, thank you for your purchase, we love you, and you're awesome. Receive 15% on your next purchase. So that's that coupon code. And then 1, 2, 3 more coupon codes. A little postcard asking for you to fill out a survey. Calendar stickers. Oh, so they're like, I do believe you would use them to put, like, May would go in April, and then you have the months here, and there's those. And then you have these stickers, which is travel, movies, holidays, finance, eat healthy, pets, exercise, meditation, important calls, birthday, important, shop, dinner, give back, spa, salon, read, grocery shop, idea, medicine, vitamins, doctor, clean, coffee, dentist. And then these are really cute. They're like black and gold. And they're just like little motivational stickers. And then I am grateful for, shopping list, important, idea, to delegate, urgent, books to read, and my victories. And then, like all the other planners, there's the quote from Gandhi. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. And the paper is really nice. It's not too thick. Oh, but this is what I really wanted to show you that I was super excited for, because purple and silver are my favorite. And the edges of the page are silver all the way around. Okay. And there's the pen loop here and this elastic to keep it closed. And there's also, let's see here, two different shades of purple ribbon to mark your place in there. Okay. So then, when you open it up, it says, my life statement, how I would love my life to be. My vision statement, how I want to contribute to this world. And then who the planner belongs to, with all your pertinent information. The next page, well, the next two pages, let me move these stickers out of the way so I don't lose them. Okay. These two pages are for your planner index. And then it gets into these 2 pages, which is your Law of Attraction roadmap. So number 1, awareness and self-discovery. 2, make mission and vision statement. 3, set big goals. 4, create vision board and life statement. 5, make a clear strategy. 6, take action, your monthly action plan and your weekly action plan. 7, feel good and manifest fast. And then 8, reflect and celebrate. And each one of these has steps and tips to help you achieve the next one. And they all have coordinating pages. So like number 1, awareness and self-discovery, it says pages 16 to 17. So if you go to pages 16 and 17, it helps you, it asks you important questions for your awareness and self-discovery. And then your mission and vision statement. It gives you steps to help define and craft your vision statement, and then define and craft your mission statement. So then step 2, make mission and vision statement, pages 3 and 17. You would come back to page 3 and fill those out using what these steps helped you to do. And then number 3, set big goals, 18 through 21, 23, and 26. So 18 through 21, these are the 50 goals, excuse me, in all areas of your life goals. And it says health, spiritual, personal growth, relationships, career and business, fun and recreational goals, money, and family. And then 20, choose 5 top goals from what you have listed that you want to achieve in 1 year. Is this what my heart truly desires? 1 through 5, and why? And then set rewards if you achieve your goals, which goals you achieved and the reward for achieving them. Get rid of blocks and distractions. Reprogram your mind and unlock your true potential. What are your fears, your distractions, positive affirmations to repeat daily, action steps to get rid of distractions. And then this is page 21, where it says, where am I now? Where am I going? And how do I get there? Spiritually, personal development, relationship, career, business, financial, health, free time, and family. And then 22 is the calendar for 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Page 23 is how will I make these happen? So how will I make it happen? So you list your goals here and what are the major steps to make this happen. And then this, I do believe, is for your vision board. And then my most important life goals, that's page 26. So we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. But as you can see, each step gives you the pages and little helpful hints to get you to the next step. So when you open this up, this is questions to help empower your day. I'm not going to read all that. For the daytime and then at night. And everything looks to be color coded. Like these are purple and these are pink, and that would go along with the spiritual, personal development, relationship, career, business, financial, health, and free time and family. And this is what your emotional vibration, your affirmations, action steps to feel better and increase your emotional vibration. And then self-care, giving back, entertainment. And then this is just some information as to why this planner was created, how to prepare yourself for this life-changing journey, acknowledgments, resources, and bonus gifts, and then social media for the company. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this part of the unboxing. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notified as soon as I upload part 2 along with my other videos. Have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you next time.